Good morning, this is Tim Moyer from Lahaina Family Farms. You know, a lot of times our woofers complain about having to wake up early. This is what they have to wake up to. So the smart woofers know that it gets really, really hot later on in the day. Not really, it gets up to 80, 82, 84. But it's so much better to get your work done early so you can go down to the beach and go surfing by 11 o'clock. So we're getting some bitter melon, getting ready for the farmer's market right now. We're rocking and rolling. Everybody was up at 5:30, had breakfast. We were ready to harvest at 6. A couple of us snuck over to Starbucks, got some stuff, and now we're here harvesting. So, welcome to Lahaina Family Farms.
When you bend this end right here, and it does this exact thing, it means it's too old. But when you just bend it a little bit and this tip here breaks off, it's good.
Now to hold on, there will come, the sun will rise and we'll be fine.
One of the things that we make is called a eggplant dip. So we roast these with Parmesan cheese and everything, and it's really, really good.
As hard on yourself, please pardon yourself. Do the best you can, and that won't go unseen.
But the way I cook it is I blanch it in for 5 minutes, just extract all the bitterness out. But it doesn't completely do it. So the better thing is just mix it with other flavors.
How do I know that you will never stop? Knowing me and trusting me.